Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Nihar Consulting. Press the bell icon for updates and notifications.
Hello friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I am CA Nitin. Here in this video, I am talking on how to study the theoretical subjects of Chartered Accountancy course. Many times we have seen that students actually don't get many marks in theory subjects. That is because they don't know actually how to study that theory subject. So basically, I am going to explain how to get good marks by studying theory subjects in CA course. I hope you like this video. First and foremost is, remember, there is a phrase you might have heard quite a few times during your school days, even in college days, that writing a thing is better, always better than reciting that thing 10 times. बेसिकली सेइंग इज से कि एक बार लिखने से 10 बार ज़्यादा रटने से ज़्यादा एक बार लिखना कभी भी अच्छा होता है. Likewise, when you start studying the theory subject, it is important to write those important points, to write those important summary practically. In writing, if you do that, you don't need to revise those things time and again, because we have seen that after a few days or months, you forget what you have read, what you have recited. But when you try to write those things in person, practically, on the paper, on the notebook, then you will definitely get to know when and why you write those things, and that will help you to boost the importance of that writing. So basically, fundamentally, try to start your own writing your own notes. So that is the one important thing. Then another point is, prepare the notes, short points, a few paragraph wise points to remember the theory subjects. हमेशा ये देखा गया है कि जब आप छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स को नोटबुक पे लिखते हैं, and when you try to appear in the exam, you will remember what you wrote in the notebook, and that will definitely help you to get good marks. Again, with respect to the remembering the concept of the theory subjects, you should always remember to understand in between the lines or in between the paragraphs. The meaning is understand the concept of the theory. हमेशा याद रखिए, जैसे कि एक्ट में या लॉ में होता है कि बिटवीन द लाइंस में क्या है ये आपको समझना चाहिए. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. द सेम वे, व्हेन यू ट्राई टू रिवाइज और रिमेंबर द थियरी सब्जेक्ट, you need to understand what actually is there, the meaning behind getting those theory subjects. That is, suppose there is a particular provision or particular notes of the particular law is there. You need to understand basically what they want to say, and if you know the concept, you don't need to revise again and again. Then another important thing is, with respect to theory, is always try to visualize the theory with respect to practical sense. Suppose you are reading a particular subject of auditing paper. Try to visualize that in a practical manner. That suppose you are going to go for conducting an audit of a particular business environment. Suppose you are going to for conducting audit of fixed assets. You need to practically visualize how you can do or conduct an audit of a fixed asset. If you can visualize that thing practically, you don't need to remember point wise agenda or point wise point to revise or remember those things to write in the examination. So typically, when you are trying to understand a particular theory subjects like auditing, law, case law, you need to visualize those things. You need to practically visualize those things so that it is easy to remember in the writing in the examination. Another thing is, just like the RRR movie, you need to keep in this mind, you need to recite, revise and remember. First and foremost is, you need to always, from time to time, you have to recite those things from time to time. Then you have to revise those things, and while appearing in the examination, you need to remember to write in the examination or in those the theories. This is a very simple concept. to study any theory subjects. I have always told to my dear students that you don't need to have a detailed analysis of the theory subject. If you know the concept behind the theory topic, suppose there is a theory in case of practical question papers also, say accounting standards, costing, or financial management. If you know the concept of the particular topic, you don't need to 100% remember each and everything. If you know the concept, you can specifically write the answers to the questions. Of course, the question of language may come in picture, but for that purpose you need to learn the basic English language. If you're writing the paper in English language, it is very important for the students to remember that if you are going to write the answer to the question, you need to have a good knowledge of the basic language. And if you do know the concept behind the theory, you don't need to remember each and everything. I hope this basic analysis of how to apply and how to use the basic knowledge of studying the theory subject will help you to boost the good marks in your examination. And best luck to all of you. Do watch my videos. Thank you.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Nihar Consulting. Press the bell icon for regular updates and notifications.